I'm going to tell you my cat's name. And hopefully I can do it right, because this is the third time I'm doing it. And those files are lost now. So here's Jeannie, the cat. We got her in 2017. By we, I mean I. Yeah. She has yellow eyes. Like every species of her kind. And white fur, ginger, and black. Her hair's now coming off. I guess she's growing new hair. There's her tail. Jeannie! Gosh. Oh, man. I can't English. I need to see your face. Face. Eee. She's running away. Oh no, she's running away. We gotta catch her like a Pokemon. Or a Pokemon. Yeah. I think she's camera shy. Okay, let's move on. Okay, you can't see her, but I could scare her. Oh god, that actually scared me also. Okay, let's look at her before she runs away. She's okay, I can't let you see myself. No, I'm not letting you. There's Cookie, and she just went inside. Oh, I guess not. So, there's Cookie, and okay, she's now deciding to go inside. She's brown, the cat. Pretty sure he had green eyes, I forgot. I don't remember anything anymore. There's her tail. Her tail is still sticking out. Let's touch it. I touched it. Not with my hands, because I need my hands to hold my camera. Okay, maybe I just need one of that. Yeah, I don't know when we got her. I don't know. And she's the oldest cat that we have that's still alive. So I should be proud. Man, this video is actually the first video that actually has minutes, I think. I forgot to pause